Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the fonts on Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that we're gonna do is in a new tab, search for the font. Once you do that, go ahead and click on this link. And then you're gonna be right here in the font site. So now search for any font that you like. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Go ahead and click on download. And as you can see guys, the font is downloaded. Once you download the font, make sure to click on it and then click here and click on install. As you can see guys, now the font is being installed. So once you install the font, go back to Pixlr and then go ahead and click on text and then click on add text. And then, for example, I'm gonna type the font and then we're gonna click on fonts. As you can see guys, those are the fonts on Pixlr. And here in the bottom, we're gonna find add local fonts. Once you click here on add local fonts, go ahead and click on the font that you added and then click on the font. Make sure that the extension is TTF. Double click it and then as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find it added to the list. So I found it right here, Bosnian demo. So once you do that, make sure to select it and then go here and click on it. And as you can see guys, the font is now added. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.